to another episode of Home Cuisine. I'm going to be making a sweet potato coconut milk soup with just the right amount of mushroom. So let's get cooking. So we have some coconut oil in here, and to this I'm going to be adding two really important ingredients. And we're going to be putting in first some mustard seeds. You should be able to get this, through an organic source online, I'm sure. So I'll add that to splatter. And to that, let's get some curry leaves in. That's starting the splattering action. Some red onions. There's something about the smell of coconut oil, mustard seeds, curry leaves, and red onions that reminds me so much of Kerala. I don't know, there's just something there. Okay, so on top of this, I'm going to be adding in some garlic and ginger in paste form and getting that party started. I love it to be a little warm, and to that add some black pepper. I'm going to add quite a bit of black pepper because that is what is going to allow the flavors go right through the soup. And to this I'm going to be adding in some salt. See, normally I never add salt in the beginning, but for this, for the flavors to come through, it is the perfect time. I'm going to be adding in some mushrooms. You can do shitake mushrooms, crimini mushrooms. And to this, I'm going to be adding in some coconut milk. So right there, you can allow this to come to a boil, and you have one soup there already. It's almost like a coconut milk mushroom soup, which is tasty in itself. It has a really delicate, lovely flavor. But we're going to go one step above with this and add in just about maybe half a cup of cut sweet potatoes. And I'm going to allow that to come to a boil really fast. For maybe it might take about 5 minutes with the BTU of this particular stove. Oh my God. It's the love coming through. It is so beautiful. Just so beautiful. It's perhaps one of the most flavorful things that I've made, and it's so simple to make. It's so beautiful. Some chopped cilantro. Putting it there thanks to Amrita Lakshmi for being the most amazing chopper around here. She does such a good job. So I'm going to be putting that in the bottom. And then we'll put in some of the liquid on the sides. This is such a perfect soup to make for your family during the change of the seasons. When you're going from like February to March and you're welcoming spring. This is such a perfect bowl of soup. So I'd like to serve it with some, previously grilled red bell peppers on the side like so. And you can just throw in some crackers on the napkin, a little bit of saffron on the side. I can put the rest of the saffron here. A little bit of the saffron on the side, and maybe a few leaves of mint. Might be also a really lovely welcome flavor profile. Just beautiful. So let me just do the actual soup. This is such a familiar taste of Kerala to me, because Kerala is known for her, just this mystical aura. And having all those spices, like the black pepper is from a place called Thalassery, and there is a very distinctive black gold, as it is called, and that taste is just very evocative of a beautiful time, expecting the springtime. And the sweet potato cooked beautifully. The bite, just impeccable. That's easy to put together. And it has such a slew of fabulous benefits. Great for your skin, great for your health, and let this soup be your harbinger of spring. Until we meet again in another episode of AUMcuisine, this is Vaidyaji Priyanka.